Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to use Google Trends for product research. So first thing, just simply go to trends.google.com, and this will be their homepage, guys. And after that, you could just simply go to the explore tab over here at the top. And from here, guys, you could select a category over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for product. And now, as you can see, you will have here multiple options. So pretty much just simply provide the product so you could narrow down the category. So let's say the product will be beverages. And here we have non-alcoholic and alcoholic. So let's say I'm going to go for non-alcoholic. And after that, you could just simply provide a location over here. So I'm going to select a worldwide, and you can provide on the history of the past months or years. And from here, you could go for web search, image search, and the others. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And if you scroll down, as you can see, this is the most search beverages. So let's say I'm gonna go for add a term chocolate, for example, guys. And as you can see, if we scroll down, we will have here multiple options, and you can change it to rising to top, and pretty much you could go for other category. So let's say I'm gonna go for Google Shopping or YouTube search, and from here it will be different results, as you can see. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.